Good morning. We're going to learn how to make microwave hollandaise sauce. And this is for my friend Anita Malloy, who lives in New Mexico. You're going to need a couple of things. The first thing you're going to need is a bowl, a whisk, 8 ounces of butter, and I would use salted butter because it absorbs the salt and then you don't need to add salt. 4 egg yolks. These are fresh from the farmer's market. I like this chili lime seasoning blend that Deb Beasley sent me from Trader Joe's. It's really nice and it gives it a nice flavor. You're going to need a lemon, and this is a fresh lemon from my dog walker, Kathy Donath's tree, and I'm going to be getting some more today, which is nice. A nice sharp knife, and one of these great lemon squeezers. So first what you're going to do is you're going to, of course, peel off the butter paper. You're going to put this in the microwave, and I would put it on for 40 seconds just to see how it's melting. Meanwhile, you're going to check out just the egg yolks, and you want to make sure that those are separated. I would separate them into 2 bowls. So we have about 23 seconds to go. If you want to save the whites for maybe a souffle, you can. This would be a good time to do that. So we're going to check on the butter. And the butter still has a few more minutes to go. So I'm going to put it back in for approximately 40 more seconds. You have to remember this was made up by me, so it's pretty much give and take. I've never seen microwave hollandaise sauce, but I did it because I love hollandaise sauce. My mother used to make hollandaise sauce, and she would spend, minutes, even more than minutes, making hollandaise sauce. And when I was much younger, I was maybe, 15, 16, something like that. I decided I would make it in the microwave oven. I think that's when we got our first microwave oven. I'm not really sure. But I decided to do it that way. We've almost got the eggs separated from the whites. Let me just do one more, and then we'll check on the butter. This goes pretty fast, so I'm making a lot today. Usually for myself, I don't use as much because I don't eat that much, but I love to dip fresh artichokes, which I have on the oven today, not in the oven, on the stovetop. But I'm not going to do that. This is for dinner that I'm going to. So let's check on the butter. This is the butter. Okay, so it's all ready. Then you're going to add your egg yolks that have been separated. And you want to whisk this together. so that it's all whisked. And then you're going to add your lemon juice. And I would just do half a lemon, especially with this amount, because this is enough for the broccoli. So I'm taking broccoli with Hollandaise sauce to my friend's house, Kathy Donath. Now I'm going to add the spice. Again, this is from Trader Joe's. Whoops. And it's a chili lime seasoning blend sent to me by Deb Beasley. So I'm just going to add a little bit. Then we want to cut a lemon. And I would, because of the size of these lemons, I would just put this much. So what I'm going to do is put it in this handy dandy squeezer, which I really like. I don't know where I got this, probably on eBay or Amazon, one of those. And you don't want to add too much salt. So I like using, this is from Trader Joe's. This is sea salt. And I'm not sure if it's kosher or not, but it's from the Mediterranean. And it's just put askance in here. And then you're going to whisk it again. So you want it really whisked so that everything's kind of together. Then we're going, because this is bigger than what I usually make, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds on high. And we're going to see what happens to it. Sorry about my nose itching. I don't know what's wrong with it. Anyway, we're in my kitchen in Burlingame, and the dogs are trying to help cook microwave Hollandaise sauce. And I hope you all enjoy it, especially Anita Malloy, whom I've known for years. We went to high school together at Sandia High School in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we have maintained our friendship all these years. And she is a very special person in my life, just like all of you are. Anyway, so it's out of the microwave, and I'm going to whisk it again. And it's making into kind of a cohesive, this may just be enough. Yep, it is. So 30 seconds when it's this big. Let me show it to you. So here it is. It's all nice and thick, and it's ready for my Christmas Day dinner at Friends at Kathy Donath's house. And she's having roast prime rib of beef, which I'm really excited about, and excited about just being with them. It was nice to be invited by her family. Have a wonderful day, and Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year.